Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a complaint on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into the homepage. Once you are logged in, hover over to My Account at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the settings page, you will be allowed to change your account settings. Now, if you have any complaints that you wish to file, click on the support option at the top section, which will take you into the support page. From this page, scroll all the way down and then click on Submit a Ticket. Then choose the game with which you are concerned. And now, underneath Choose a Request Type, you can choose whatever concern that you have with your game. If you wish to report a player, you can click on the Report a Player option. And if it is a technical issue, you can choose the appropriate option as well. Choose in-game question if you are unsure which category to choose. Then just select your platform and then enter your subject. The subject section is supposed to define the nature of your complaint. Then underneath the inquiry box, you can once again choose in-game content, question, issue or refund. Then choose select your inquiry and then choose other if you are unsure. Now finally, within the description box, you can explain the nature of your complaint in details. If you have an attachment or a screenshot, you can click on the add file option and upload this screenshot as well. Finally, click on the submit button and your request will be sent to the support team at Riot Games. Once it has been sent, just wait for a few days to get a response and you will find the appropriate solution for your issue. And there you have it. That is how you can file a complaint on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.